That is JFK UMass over there. And just to the left, you can't quite see it from here, is the JFK Library, recently featured. This spot is now visible from Google Earth. It's part of a school complex, which is also visible from Google. But I'll show you this spot. Sometimes I go in there and ride circles. From here you can see the horizon and water. And if I turn this way, you can also see Boston proper. Do you see that windmill? Just over the Do Not Enter sign, a little to the left. You can see other buildings popping their heads up over here. Anyway, nice riding spot. Very hilly. A lovely specimen of dock here in Boston. Why, look, it's a police barrier. I want to get over there. So they built this. And if they could build the pyramids with ramps, I think I can pedal over this. Yep. I was able to get up. Oh, wait, another one. If I get up at enough velocity, I could probably take flight at the top. Woohoo! Yep, I made it. I don't want to go down that way. Oh no. It's kind of like a little forest up here. Oh, I'm not alone. Hello. You're on camera. Uh-oh. Going down again. Yeah, right at the end is a staircase. You know, I come to think of it, I'm only using the one brake. Oh well, didn't die. Here's that hotel I almost had you in. Right here. Almost. But not quite. All right. And it comes out almost in traffic, but really here. Okay. This is one of our famous parks, Mom. Green for 365 degrees. Well, it's only if I overshoot it. Nice, huh? A little out of breath. $14 miles an hour. Outhouses. Coming to a bridge. Wow, look at that. We get our own crossing light. Uh-oh, looks like I ain't gonna make it. Oh well. This is our new bus station. This is the first time I've ever seen this kind of big U-ey that the buses can go opened up. It's the first time I've been here on bicycle. So I'm gonna ride it. Woohoo! Oh, life is good. I am riding here. There's a trolley over here. Look, the moon. Underneath, way down. See it? The trains. Still a lot of construction. But it is, in fact, open. About time. Okay. Pretty cool. Over and out. This is the station. You can see the trains come in down here, and we meet on either side.